The pendulum, the cornerstone of a skilled rider's arsenal. Just going forward is fine and all, but your wheel is capable of so much more, and learning the pendulum is the first step in unlocking its true mobility potential. In this basic guide, I'll be going over a 3-step process to learning the pendulum, along with exercises you can practice each step of the way. Let's get started. The first key to unlocking the movement possibilities your wheel can offer is mastering the twist. Getting good at quickly twisting your wheel around with your hips and arms will be crucial to low-speed precision maneuvers. Instead of just stepping off when you stall due to lack of speed, you'll be able to twist your way out of that situation and on your way. Getting twisty is an important foundational skill which will benefit all future aspects of riding. Exercise. Pick an area small enough on the ground where you can't comfortably ride within it in a circle, and force yourself to stay in the area for as long as you can. Whipping your arms around, then bringing them in tight to reset will allow you to twist in rapid succession. Another good exercise is to try to ride as slow as physically possible. When you feel yourself tipping over, twist in the direction of the fall. All that twisting just prepared you for the switch. As you brake and come to a stop, hold that braking pose for a bit longer instead of letting up and stepping off, and you'll find yourself going in reverse. Changing directions is tricky because of that moment of stillness where balance is the hardest. But don't worry, you just learn how to deal with that. Perform a quick twist in the direction of any unwanted tipping, and bam, you're moving again. Over time and practice, these messy and violent twists will smoothen out into an elegant dance of precision arm waving. Exercise. Ride slowly in a straight line, brake, then reverse and step off. Only step off after you've completely reversed directions. Repeat to your heart's content. A pendulum is only a pendulum if it swings both ways. And now that you've got yourself going back, it's time to go forth again. Going forward is arguably the hardest part of learning the pendulum, so don't be too discouraged if this takes a while longer. Instead of stepping off like in the previous exercise, start accelerating as your wheel moves backwards. Twist to overcome instability, then get going forward again. In a sustained pendulum, the rider's input is always the opposite of whichever way the wheel's moving. Try to focus on having equal swings on both sides, just like a pendulum. Quick note, since the hardest part is standing still, it'll help to jerk forwards and backwards a little to get out of that still state as quickly as possible. There we have it. With enough practice, you'll be on your way to mastering the pendulum and many other useful skills. Just remember to be patient with yourself. And remember, this stuff takes time, unless you're a wizard. It took me a solid month of daily practice to get barely competent at the pendulum, and then another whole year to be able to do it smoothly. But just keep up the practice and remember those drills, and you'll get it in no time.